Hello students, welcome to Bitsat forum. This is Brahmam, your reasoning faculty. Today our chapter is of figure formation and its analysis. Okay, some parts will be given, triangle parts will be given, and some figure parts will be given, and we have to make one whole diagram, one whole figure. Okay, suppose there is a right angle triangle like this, equilateral isosceles right angle triangle, and another is also an isosceles right angle triangle. I have given like this. And which figure you can form using these two. I hope think you can make a square, right? So one triangle is kept here and another triangle is kept here. We can form a square here. Suppose what if it is this right angle triangle and another is also the same, this right angle triangle. Which figure we can make? Using these two we can make a rectangle because length and breadth are different. See here, this is lengthy side and it is shorter side. Okay, so we can make a rectangle like this. So in this way small parts will be given, figure parts will be given, and combining them which figure we can make. Or sometimes the whole figure will be given and which parts we can separate from this figure. So this is the basic information regarding this chapter. And here, even though here this chapter is a figure based chapter, we don't need to draw anything in this. Don't draw anything in this and just eliminate the options depending upon some elements or some tricks. Using some tricks, eliminate the options. Rest of the option means a leftover option will be your answer. Okay, let us see how to eliminate the options also. Okay, see the first question. Find out which of the figures 1, 2, 3, 4 can be formed from the pieces of given figure X. Figure X is having some pieces, piece 1, 2, 3, 4. Using these 4 pieces, which of the following diagram you can make? Okay, and as I have mentioned, we have to eliminate the options. Okay, see the first diagram. There is a triangle here. Okay, is there any triangle given in the pieces? No, that means it cannot be. We cannot make this diagram. And even here also there is a triangle. This cannot be formed. And even here also there is a triangle. It cannot be formed. Then no need to verify the leftover option. That must be the answer. So figure 2 is the answer. It doesn't mean option B is the answer always, right? Here see 3, 2, 4, 1. In this way options can be jumbled. Options may not be always option A is 1 and option B is 2, option C is 3 and option D is 4. They can be jumbled. So see the options carefully while answering. Here figure 2 is the answer and figure 2 is available in which option? That will be our answer. Here luckily in option B it is figure 2 in this question, but may not be always. Okay, figure 2. So from the next question onwards we will deal with the figure numbers only, but you should be careful with the options also while answering. Okay, right, coming to the next question. Yes, is there any square shape available in the given pieces? No square shape. Next, this is a concave polygon, right? This is a concave polygon. Here this is a triangle, it is okay. And convex polygon, this is a concave polygon and it is convex polygon and it is also convex polygon. Okay, concave polygon is nothing but a polygon which is having 180 degree, more than 180 degree angle anywhere. Suppose if we get this is a 5-sided figure pentagon, and even this one is also a 5-sided figure pentagon. Here if you see, all the angles are less than 180 degree, but in this diagram there is one angle which is more than 180. This is called concave polygon and this is the convex polygon. There is a concave polygon here. Here there is no such figure. Cancelled and cancelled. Here there is no figure like this, right? In the given figures, this cannot be. Then answer must be option A. Next one. Okay, here the number of pieces are 2 triangles are there and 1 trapezium and 1 circle is there, and there is no square given. Cancelled. Here also there is a square. Okay, direct square is not available, but we can make square, right? But here see the number of parts. Outside also there is a square and inside also there is a square. It cannot be. And here if you see, we may make this figure like this: 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So other than circle there are only 3 parts, but here there are 4 parts. It cannot be. Next here one triangle, another triangle, and there is a trapezium, circle. Here also triangle, circle and trapezium. So that means one of these two must be our answer. If you observe keenly, here it is a right angle triangle, and even here also it is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle, it is a right angle triangle. But here it is a right angle triangle, but it is not a right angle triangle. Like this, it has gone, right? It is not a right angle triangle. That means it cannot be. Then answer must be figure 3. Next one. So if you take out a square here, okay, then we can make 2 triangles like this. Yeah, figure 1 can be formed here. If we take out a square, another square, one more square, so it cannot be. Here there are 2 triangles. After taking 2 triangles, we cannot make a square, or at least 1 square and like this, but still we are getting 3 triangles. So there are only 2 triangles given, cannot be. And here if we take out a square, and we cannot get the rest of the figure with the using these 2 triangles, right? So this figure cannot be get using those 2 triangles. So then answer must be figure 1. Next question. Here how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, and there is a, here there are 3 triangles, 1, 2, 3, and there is a trapezium shape, and 3 right angle triangles only, and these 2 are exactly the same triangles, right? This one, can we make this one? Here smaller triangles are 2 triangles, and this is a larger triangle, only 1 triangle, but there are 2 larger triangles. This cannot be. And here there is only 1 triangle, and another 2 are quadrilaterals, right? 4 sides are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides are there. So there are 2 quadrilaterals, it cannot be. And here there is 1 triangle and equal another triangle, and there is a here see, it's a corner one, right? And that too it is a quadrilateral only. But here the last one, it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sided figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are getting this figure 5 sided figure like this. So it is also cannot be. Then answer must be figure 2, because this is a right angle triangle, another equal right angle triangle, one small right angle triangle, and then there is a trapezium shape. Okay, so figure 2 is the answer. Next one. This is a right angle triangle. This is also a right angle triangle, and this is also a right angle triangle, but this is not a right angle triangle, and this is a small triangle. Okay, totally how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles must be there. Here, if you observe the first figure, it is not a right angle triangle, or it is not a triangle, not even a triangle. That's why cancelled. Next here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But here all the triangles are not right angle triangles, right? Here right angle triangles are presented, here 1 triangle, and that's all, this small triangle, and rest all are not right angled triangles. So that means it cannot be our answer. And if you observe the last figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, but this is not a triangle shape. But other than triangle, there is no piece given. There is no quadrilateral. Cannot be the answer. Then this is the answer. So see, all are right angle triangles. This one is a right angle triangle. This is not. Again, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle, and this is also another small right angle triangle. So then answer is figure 3. Next one. In every triangle, there is a small square here, right? In every triangle, there must be a small square like this. Yes. So this is a correct one, but there is an extra line here. This cannot be. And triangle within a square inside a triangle, it is not, and it is also not. Then figure 2 is the answer. Next one. One right angle triangle, and there is a circle part like this, L shape, and this is also another circle part, and this is also another circle part. Let us check the first figure. Can it be? How many figures in total? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. First of all, there is no triangle, there is no quadrilateral shape in the given figures. It cannot be. Next, there is one triangle shape, one this one, and another is this one. Yes, it can be. Let us check the third one as well. Third one is this part is available. Okay. Next, there is a right angle triangle available, and this part available, and this part also available. See, for this figure, there is less curved part. But see, here also there is a larger curved part, and here also there is a larger curved part. So that means it cannot be. And here also, it's almost equal curved parts. Okay, so it is also cannot be. Answer is figure 3. One part is having small curved part. Next is, which of the following figures are shown below when folded along the dotted lines will form a pyramid shaped box we want, and that too rectangular base. Okay, see, this is the rectangular base, and on this rectangular base we have to fold along these dotted lines. Along these dotted lines we have to fold. See, this is a rectangular box, it is okay, and whatever the side it is connected already. Next folding must be, this line will overlap this one, right? So that means this line must be equal length with this one, and whatever the line coming further next, this line will overlap with this part, this line lengthwise. Okay, so that means it must be larger. See, this is related to this one, then it is okay, and it is related to this one, it is also okay, and it is related to this one, it will overlap with this one. Is it possible? No, because it is length and it is breadth. So length and breadth cannot be equal in a rectangle, right? So this cannot be, figure 1 cannot be. Next, coming to this one, immediate folding. This is a longer side, but it cannot overlap completely with the shorter side. So this is also cannot be. And this one is also the same thing. Immediate folding, this part cannot be equal in length with this one. And if you see, this part will overlap with this one. Next, this part will be covered with this one. This part will be covered with this one. Okay, and this part will be covered with this part and this part together. Okay, they are of equal length. So figure 4 is the correct answer. Next one, different designs can be made by placing maximum of 9 matchsticks. 9 matchsticks. Which of the following designs cannot be? See the question carefully. Cannot be. If you don't see the question, cannot be in the question, then you may get first option or second option may be correct. Instead of giving the answer for cannot be, we will give the answer for can be. Okay, read the question carefully. Cannot be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 matchsticks. That means it cannot be, means this answer cannot be our answer. This cannot be our answer. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 matchsticks. This is also cannot be our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only. So here we have used a maximum of 8 matchsticks. Let us verify fourth one also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 matchsticks are there. This cannot be our answer. Then answer must be figure. Next one. See, earlier parts are given and we need to identify the formed figure, and here a figure is given, whole figure is given, and we need to identify its parts. Okay, 1, 2 lines, 2 dots and 2 curves. Which figure is having the same? 2 dots, 2 lines, 2 curves. But where is this extra line? Cannot be. There is no straight line in this. Cannot be. There is no straight line in this. Cannot be. Then answer must be figure 3. Next question. Same thing. 1, 2 straight lines, 1 circle, 1 dot. Here only one straight line is there. Second straight line is missing. And here 2 straight lines are there. A dot is missing. Cannot be. Here 1, 2 straight lines, 1 circle, 1 dot. It should be the answer. Here there are 2 dots. It cannot be our answer. So figure 3 is the correct answer. Next one. Here there is a triangle. In the first figure there is no triangle. Okay. And in the third figure there are 2 triangles. Sorry, fourth figure there are 2 triangles. Cancelled. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 3. 3 semicircles are there. Second and third only we should check. 3 semicircles. So 1, 2 and 3 semicircles. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 semicircles cannot be the answer. And even circle is missing here. So answer must be figure 2. Next one. First let us count the larger straight lines. Next question. 1 dot must be there. Here there are 2 dots. Cannot be. There are 2 dots. Cannot be. Next. Here dot is missing here. Cannot be. Then answer is figure 1 only. No need to consider even lines also here. Simply dot is deciding the answer here. Next one. Okay, here Let us deal with the triangles. How many triangles are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 right angled triangles of equal size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles only. It cannot be. Next. Next. First one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles. Okay, but there is one more extra line here. It cannot be. And this one. 1, 2. With only 2 triangles and with the 2 extra lines, can we form a square here? Cannot be. Then answer must be figure 3. Right? How? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 larger sides. Next, 4 smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 one side and another 4 another side. Okay, another size. Right, answer must be figure 3. Next one. Next is there are 1, 2, 3, 3 triangles and there is a circle. 1, 2, 3, 3 triangles. There is a circle and circle is having some extra part. It cannot be. And here only 1, 2, 2 triangles are there, but 2 circles are there. It cannot be. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 triangles are there. It can be. But here, yes, it should be the answer, because in the next figure there is an extra shape is there which is not given in the question figure. It cannot be the answer. So figure 3 is the answer. Next one, there is a line, circle, and this shape and triangle also. So if you see the first figure, can be or cannot be, line is missing in the first figure. It cannot be. Second, there are 2 lines here. Cannot be. Third also there are 2 lines here. Cannot be. Then answer must be figure 4. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 3 lines and 1 triangle and circle. Here 1, 2, only 2 lines are there. Cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 3 lines are there, and there is a circle, triangle, and this must be our answer, but let us verify the remaining also. Here this shape is missing here, and there is 1 line missing here, and there is 1 new shape is there. Okay, a rectangle. It cannot be, and here also it cannot be, because this figure is missing. Figure 2. Next one. A stick man is there with the hands straightwards. So here hands are downwards. Cannot be the answer. Next, bat shape is missing here. Cannot be. And in the first and third figures, what is the difference? Yeah, there is a parallelogram which is not there in the question figure. So it cannot be the answer. Okay, so figure 3 is the answer. Next one. Okay, so practice more and more number of questions, then it will be easy to solve this type of questions in the exams within less time. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class then. Bye.